In this video, I'll show you how to remove bloatware from Windows 11. Deleting unnecessary apps and services can help free up system resources and improve both performance and privacy. Many pre-installed apps run automatically every time you start your system. Removing these apps can help speed up your system and make it run more smoothly. On top of that, some bloatware apps collect usage data and other information for personalized advertisements, often without you even realizing it. In this tutorial, we'll use a simple and easy tool to safely remove these unwanted apps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your browser and search for Raphael Win 11 Debloat. Then click on the first GitHub link for the Debloat tool. Once the GitHub page opens, scroll down and you'll find a quick method that shows you how to download and run the tool. Next, open PowerShell as administrator. After that, copy the command provided on the GitHub page, paste it into the PowerShell window and press enter. The tool will start downloading automatically, so just wait a few moments for it to complete. After the download finishes, the tool will run automatically. Once it opens, you'll see the main interface with two options, default mode and custom setup. You can simply go with default mode since it already includes the recommended settings, but I'll also show you the custom setup in a moment. In default mode, you can see a list of the changes the tool will make. This includes removing unnecessary apps, disabling Copilot, turning off telemetry and tracking, and cleaning up other unwanted features. These tweaks help free up system resources and improve performance. Scroll down and click on the Apply Changes button. The tool will now start the debloating process, so just wait a few moments while it completes. Alright, once it's finished, you'll see a message confirming that all the changes have been applied. Now we can close this window. Next, I'll run the script again so I can show you how the custom setup works. Alright, this time select Custom Setup. Here you'll see a list of apps and you can select them one by one depending on which ones you want to remove, or you can simply choose Default Apps. The default option will automatically select apps that most people don't usually use. However, I recommend going through the list carefully and making sure you untick any app you want to keep. You can also manually choose apps you want to remove, such as OneDrive, Paint, Outlook for Windows, or PhoneLink. These are some of the apps I've selected, but I've also unticked a few that I use frequently. Once you're done selecting the apps, click the next button. Here you'll see the System Tweaks section, where you can choose the tweaks you want to apply to your system. Again, we'll go with the default settings. Just click Select Default Settings, and it will automatically choose the tweaks that are safe and won't cause any issues. You can still review the list and untick anything you don't want to disable, but for most users, the default selection works perfectly since it avoids confusion about which options to change. After that, click Next again. On the next screen, you'll see selected changes. Scroll all the way down and click Apply Changes. The tool will now start removing unnecessary apps, disabling unwanted services, and applying system tweaks to improve performance and increase privacy. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying all changes have been applied. At this point, you can simply close the window. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove bloatware from Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.